Hello kids! Today we learn some colors and draw some 2D shapes. Look at these colors. Also very nice and cute color. Let's learn. Turkish blue color, ultramarine color, warm grey color, yellow color, old red color, carmine color. Cross, it's a cross shape, kids. Cross, a square, it's a square shape. A square, rectangle, right triangle, pie, it's a pie shape. Pie, arrow, it's arrow shape, kids. Arrow, heart, it's a heart shape, kids. Heart, yellow color, yellow color, Turkish blue color, warm grey color, carmine color, ultramarine color, old red color, cross, square, rectangle, pie, arrow, heart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.